Hey there, aspiring influencers. Ever wondered how much YouTube pays for 10 million views? Well, buckle up because today's video is going to break it all down for you. First off, let's talk about the basics. YouTube earnings are primarily influenced by CPM, which stands for cost per thousand impressions. This is the amount advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ad views. Now, CPM can vary greatly based on a few key factors. One major factor is your content niche. For example, tech and finance channels tend to have higher CPMs, often ranging between $8 to $20. On the flip side, entertainment and lifestyle channels might see CPMs between $2 to $5. This is because advertisers are willing to pay more to reach audiences interested in higher value products and services. Next up, ad types. There are several types of ads on YouTube, including skippable ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, and display ads. Non-skippable ads generally pay more because viewers are required to watch them, while skippable ads tend to pay less. The mix of these ad types on your channel can significantly affect your earnings. Another important factor is viewer demographics. Viewers from countries like the US, Canada, and Australia usually generate higher ad revenue compared to viewers from other regions. This is due to the higher advertising budgets in these countries. So, if a large portion of your audience is from high CPM regions, you're likely to earn more. Alright, let's get into the numbers. For 10 million views, if your CPM is around $5, you could earn roughly $50,000. But if your CPM is $20, your earnings could soar to $200,000. That's a huge difference, right? Let me give you an example. Imagine a tech channel and a lifestyle channel both hit 10 million views. The tech channel, with a $15 CPM, could earn $150,000, while the lifestyle channel, with a $3 CPM, might only earn $30,000. Same number of views, but very different payouts. So, aspiring influencers, remember that not all views are created equal. Your niche, ad types, and viewer demographics play a crucial role in determining your YouTube earnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.